Every mom wants everything for their kids. So to have the trust in a product that not only 100% safe, but 100% effective is priceless. They become such a staple in our home. That's just what we use for everything.
Essential oils that you purchase on the open market today are either going to be synthetic or they're going to be engineered. Right from the beginning, having a completely pure essential oil was everything to us. Our focus was that you can't improve on Mother Nature, and you shouldn't try.
We had to ensure the purity, the potency of these essential oils coming from the plant, unchanged as nature produces them.
I had always been looking for more of a natural form of healthcare after I had kids. I was shocked at the lack of resources that there were as a parent.
We really felt like that this was a path that was really needful in the marketplace. We knew that people needed to have an experience that was different than what they'd ever had before.
I would take them home and share them with my family. There were things that were helping my wife, my children. We became converted by using and experiencing the benefit of the essential oils.
The dream for us at doTERRA is to have an essential oil in every home. And there will be many different ways that we can do that together.
Day by day, week after week, year after year, it just works.
With a background in biochemistry, I began looking at the chemistry of essential oils, looking at the chemical structure and how that interacts physiologically with the body. My interest became piqued at that point.
I'm a licensed nurse practitioner, and I worked in critical care for over 14 years. I started using a lot of essential oils and sort of experimenting on my family, my neighborhood.
Having the essential oils, it's empowering, and I'm so grateful that I've started to shift to a healthier lifestyle.
A lot of direct selling companies create a business opportunity, and then they go find a product to push through that business opportunity. doTERRA went out and found a product and a passion and a mission for a product, and then we decided that the direct selling channel will be the best way to share that product and teach people about that product.
We chose to be a person-to-person model because we knew that this would empower people to step into their full potential and truly make the world a better place.
What really needs to be understood is that our model is really focused on two things. It's focused on getting the best and helping the most. When we get the best oils and we help the most people, that's a formula for success.
I just think the whole planet is being lifted by this company, and it makes it so easy to be passionate because I know that every step of the way, it's lifting someone.
There's good happening.
It's blessing someone. It's a light to someone.
Something that grew out of just a love for the oils, and it's given me so much more hope for the future.
We are interested in having the highest quality essential oils that you can have, but in the process, we're also very interested in doing good in the world.